The first two we took are the bilabial plosives. These are the alveolar plosives produced with the front rim of the tongue placed along the upper teeth ridge, thus blocking the air passage through the mouth, okay, and allowing it to come out with a puff. So, how is this this consonant spelled? How is it spelled? The first spelling we'll have here is letter T. That's the first one we're going to take. Letter T spelled as T, such as in the example, take, we'll have potent, where it appears in the middle as well as end, and then we'll have mate, where it appears in the end only. There are other examples we can take where it even comes in clusters, such as tone, we can take tie, and more. There are several examples with the sound spelled as letter T. Okay, so what other spelling do we have? We have double T. We have double T, such as in fatter. In the middle, double T can also come at the end, such as in bat. Such as in bat. Okay. Now, another spelling we want to take is spelling ED. Now, this is what we call the past tense morpheme. The past tense morpheme has rules, and as I take them, I will explain briefly what I mean by that. When you have the ED coming after a voiceless consonant, apart from t itself, then it would turn to t. Let's take an example. In the word slapped, in the word slapped, the ED here changes to, let's transcribe that, slapped. This is what you have in pronunciation, changes to t, okay? And then we can then have other examples in addition. We can have kissed. What I'm saying now is that in slapped, the P is a voiceless consonant. In kissed, it's a voiceless consonant. So as soon as the ED comes after it, it will turn to t. That is the point. There are other examples that we have, for example, we have kicked. It's a voiceless consonant. And so, this is what happened. It doesn't mean that it's every time that the ED comes after a sound. For example, let's take bad. This ED here will not give you T, it will give you D. Or you have wanted. Even though this is a consonant, a voiceless consonant, as I mentioned earlier, it doesn't produce D. This is the only voiceless consonant that won't give it to you as T. So, because what you have here is one T. So at this point, you still have G with a vowel coming out as from the E letter. So that is the point. So you want to note this because they come in exams too. And if you want to articulate it, you articulate it correctly. So that is something you have to note there, but we'll have other things to note under this sound. We have note 1. Note 1. So note 1 is letter T, is silent when it comes in spelling, such as S-T-L-E and S-T-E-N. Yes, in such spelling. Now we'll take examples and see this. That is, when you have the S coming before a T, the T is usually silent, but it's not, it doesn't mean once it just comes before a T. Then there should be further spelling L-E after it, or in this case E-N after it, then the T will be silent. As we take the examples, the point will become clearer.